Hello and welcome to computer class. How are you all students? Students, in our previous class, we have learnt about the different tools in the charms bar. So today we are going to learn about the live tiles which are present on the start screen, as well as we learn different live tiles like calendar app, people app, mail app, which is present on the start screen. And as well as we'll have a small introduction about the Windows accessories. So let's start the class. Chapter 4, continue with Windows 8.1. So today we are going to learn about the live tiles. Now these are the interactive apps which bring latest updates from various fields by using the internet service to us. Now it means that the live tiles, the name live tiles means it is alive. That means it is working right now. That means some update is going on. New information is getting added to these tiles. That means when we open computer system, we see a start screen and we see a small rectangles are there, and those are called tiles. In the picture, there are so many live tiles are shown here, like calendar, mail, about weather. You can have live tiles about news. So all these gives us the latest information, and this use the internet service, and it is dynamic in nature. That means it shows a multiple things in that particular tiles. So the content of this live tiles gets updated automatically. If internet is connected to the computer, so it will update all the information of that particular tiles. Like if we are having news tiles, so we will get the latest news in that live tile. So a live tile can display updated information even when the underlying app is not running. When we click or tap a tile, the app it represents open on the screen. Now we can work with the open app. So that means all the information gets updated automatically, even if it is not running, but the information is getting updated. And it represents open on the screen, and we can just click on it and open it, and we can work on that. So this is the live tiles. Now we have to remember one thing, that if we want that any tile should not display the live updates, we can turn this function off. So to turn off the live updating function of a tile, simply right click or tap and hold the tile and choose the live tile off option from the menu that appears. That means if we do not want any of the tile that it gets updated, it should be live updated, so we can just turn it off by right clicking with the help of the mouse, and we'll just select turn live tile off option from the menu, and that tile will stop getting updated. Now moving to the calendar app. Now here we can see that we know that calendar shows the date. So it helps us to update with the upcoming events we have set for our calendar. So in this calendar, we can update, we can mention the events which is going to happen. We can schedule the time for completing our daily routine task. Like we can fix the time that in our daily routine we have some work, so we can mention it in the calendar app. It reminds us of the events by displaying a message along with the sound. If the live updating feature of the calendar app is on, Its tile displays the current date, day, and information for our upcoming event on the start screen. So on the start screen, you can see the current date, that means today's date, day, and the information which we have saved in the calendar that will be shown at the particular time which we have set with the help of the calendar app. Now next is People app. Now here it helps us to add and manage our contacts with their names, addresses, phones, emails, and so on. So we can use these contacts for other Windows apps such as Mail and Skype. So People's app is just like Contact, which we can see in our mobile phones. So it contains the contact, that means the name of the person, his address, his phone number, his email. And we can also use this for other Windows app like Mail and Skype. As well as we can get contact with the social media sites like Facebook. So we can just import or we can just get contact from these social networking sites, and we can also upload photos and notifications also. Next is Mail app. So the Mail app, it helps us view and manage our emails, and we can use this to read our new and existing emails. We can send new mails, we can reply on the mail. So these all are helpful in our Mail app. It is used to manage our emails. Now let's do the activity. Here we have to write true and false as the statement. First one, the live tiles are placed on the start screen. It is true. On the start screen, the live tiles are present. Second, you cannot turn the live updating feature of an app off. It is false. That means live updating feature of a particular app can be turned off. Third, the calendar app helps us to add and manage our contacts. So is it true or false? When we have to manage the contact, we use the People's app. Fourth, you can use the Mail app to read your new email messages. It is true. So for new email messages, we need Mail app. Fifth, you can use contacts of social networking accounts with the People app. It is true. So social networking accounts can be merged with the People app, and we can get the contacts from the social networking sites and we can put it inside the People app. Now we have learned about Calendar app, People app, and Mail app. So these apps are the live tiles. That means these keep on updating with the help of the internet services. Now let's learn about the working with Windows accessories. Now Windows accessories, they are very useful programs and it has many important tasks on the computer. Like for example, Paint, Calculator, Sound Recorder program, Windows Media Player, Notepad, WordPad are the important Windows accessory programs. And we have already learned about it. So what does Paint program do? It helps us to draw and color on the computer. Calculator program, it helps us to perform simple arithmetic calculations. Sound Recorder program, it allows us to record our voice and other sounds to the computer. And Windows Media Player, it helps us to play and control media contents as CD, DVDs, pen drives, and so on in the computer. So these things, our paint file, calculators, sound recorder program, Windows Media Player, Notepad, where we can type something. In the WordPad also we can type something. So all these are found in the Windows accessories. And we would be learning about all these in our next class. Now the homework is you have to read page number 51, 52 and 53 which we have covered in today's class, and you have to complete the activity which is on page number 53, and you have to do it in the book itself. Students, you are going to read the pages which we have covered today in the class, and you have to complete the activity which we have done. Take care. Bye, students.